From cutting-edge technologies to revolutionary concepts, EBACE 2019 is showcasing what's possible in aviation. Hi everybody, I'm Raquel Rodriguez with EBACE TV. The business aviation industry's investments and innovations are shaping the future of flight. One of those transformative ideas is electric vertical takeoff and landing.
The very definition of aviation is changing right before our eyes. Today we have drones, we have electric vehicles, we have supersonic on the verge, we have commercial space launches going on all around us, and so we know we're living in a time of change.
This new frontier in business aviation was on display during the opening keynote. The CEO of Volocopter presented his company's prototype eVTOL aircraft.
We want the Volocopter to be fully electric with today's available technology. So we built in 9 battery packs, each powering 2 of those propulsion units.
Florian Reuter says the vehicle is capable of flying 22 miles based on today's battery technology and is extremely quiet.
We believe that the Volocopter is the perfect complementary addition to business aviation. So we envision a way where the business jet comes into the traditional, general aviation airport, and Volocopter can then take over and actually carry the passenger into the city center.
Over in the EBACE exhibit hall, you can also find a number of futuristic aircraft prototypes and models surrounding the innovation zone.
We are here in EBACE to introduce a new way of flying, a new concept of mobility, which we call the multi-access electric air mobility, the capability to land on water, ground, and snow with folding wings, so you can travel from door to door.
This is the VBJ, the vertical business jet. And so what it does, it takes off like a helicopter and flies like a plane. Your journey that would take you 5 hours and 40 minutes in a commercial jet, including the airport times, will only take you 1 hour and 5 minutes. So we've actually dubbed it the time machine.
For EBACE TV, I'm Raquel Rodriguez.